At the post office, sending a package. 2-minute conversation.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to send this package, please.
Sure. Where are you sending it?
I'm sending it to New York.
All right. Is it a document or a parcel?
It's a parcel.
Please place it on the scale.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like regular shipping or express shipping?
How long does regular shipping take?
About 5 to 7 business days.
That's fine. I'll choose regular shipping.
Do you want tracking for the package?
Yes, please.
All right. Please write the sender and receiver details on this form.
Okay, I'll do that now.
The total cost is $12.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.